Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. I hope you are fine. My dear friends, today I am select a topic about circular column. How to find Siemens sine and aggregate in circular column. Now let's start. This is the diameter of column, which is equal to 12 inch, and this is the height of column, 11 feet. First of all, we need to find the area of circular column, which equal to 5d square divided by 4. A equal to 3.142. 1 square divided by 4. The 1 is the diameter of column in feet. The area equal to 0.785 square feet. Now find the volume. Volume equal to area multiplied by height of column. V equal to 0.785 multiplied by 11 feet. This is the height of column. Volume equal to 8.64 cubic foot. This is the wet volume of this circular column. Now we change this wet volume to dry. 8.64 multiplied by 1.54. Dry volume equal to 13.30 cubic foot. Ratio is 1 to 4 and the sum of ratio is 7. First of all, we need to find the cement. 1 divided by 7 multiplied by 13.30. This is the dry volume of concrete, which equal to 1.9 cubic foot. This is the amount of cement in cubic foot. Now we change this volume of cement into bags. 1.9 divided by 1.25. 1.25 is the volume of cement bag in cubic foot. The cement needed 1.52 bags. Now find the sand. Sand equal to 2 divided by 7 multiplied by 13.30, which equal to 3.8 cubic foot. An aggregate needed 4 divided by 7 multiplied by 13.30, which equal to 7.6 cubic foot. Thank you so much for watching, my dear friends. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And if you have any question and problem, please you ask. Bye bye.